Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Eddie J Smith here. How you doing, queens? I'm super excited to be back with another video. We're gonna play with some makeup today. Let's get into it, okay? Ladies, I got the golden box. Yes, I did. This is the Juvia's Place golden box that was given at the Essence Festival. This is a $200 value box of Juvia's Place products that you get when you spend only 20 bucks on their website. So I was like, okay, that's a no-brainer. So I went and I picked up a palette that I have been having on my wish list for a while now. And here we have it. So this was a palette that's been on my wish list. Okay, this is the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I have a lot of their palettes. I love them. There's many I've not even tried yet. But like I said, I will be reviewing them and doing looks with them. So let's see what this looks like. This is an all matte palette. I like that. I do. I love the color story. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Super excited to finally get my hands on it. So let's see what's in the golden box. So that's what you get. $200 worth of products when you purchase $20 on their website. We're gonna do an unboxing. So this is the Juvia's Place, the Rebel Mint. That is absolutely cute. Super beautiful. I don't think I've ever tried mint before. So there you have it. Absolutely beautiful. Guys, we might be doing a giveaway. Make sure you subscribe. So the next one is the Rebel Gray. There you see. So we have the Rebel Mint and the Rebel Gray. So that's the Rebel Gray. Okay, beautiful. This is the vitamin C treatment pad. Okay, so it comes in these sachets like this. You're definitely getting a lot. That's the vitamin C serum, 25%, pure stabilized vitamin C. Here you go, Juvia's Place. It's awesome. I have another palette. I do believe I have this. So that's the Magic Mini. Beautiful, beautiful colors. That's the Royalty one by Juvia's Place. Do you see the shade? It's a beautiful, like gold. Yeah, I'm excited to try that. Next up, the I Am Magic Duo Density Makeup Sponge. Wonderful. I believe this was a collab with that beautiful influencer right there. She's absolutely stunning. I remember her. I remember seeing her videos. Oh, that is stunning. Look at that color. Beautiful. We have two liquid lipsticks. One's a beautiful bright red, and they must know. The other one's like a nude, which is very nice. Yeah, they must know me well. Like, I love reds. Yeah. Okay, so let's play. So today I actually want to try a different makeup style that I saw on the app, on the TT app. My skin's already good to go, so we're gonna start. So I have two options here. I have the Velvet Matte I Am Magic Foundation, which I tried the other day with you guys, and I have the sticks. Okay. Now I do have a whole bag because again, they did send me the whole collection in PR. Again, hence why I'm saying I need to do some kind of giveaway. So the shade I want to try as my foundation today is Guinea. That's this shade. So I don't know if y'all see it. Let's just go in. I think that's a decent match. I'm beginning to think I actually have neutral undertone. You know what I mean? Because I really beginning to think that. Sometimes when I find some foundation, they seem too yellow. And then it's just too yellow. It can be super bright, but which I think, for maybe like winter, it's fine. But, when I have a tan, like now I do with the summer, I feel like certain shades, it doesn't work. So, and I'm beginning to think I have a neutral undertone. But y'all let me know. If you're like my complexion, do you find that you sometimes struggle with finding foundations that really match your undertone? You can see where my wig sits. Okay, it's left a line. So let's just see what we can do there. But anyway, y'all let me know in the comments if you get what I'm saying. Like the finish, let's see, it's covering some of my spots, but not all of it. I can still see some peeking through. So let's see, for the parts that didn't get covered, let me take a tiny bit of the, do you guys see? This is the I Am Magic. Do you see how that's brighter? Well, I guess I could kind of mix both, right? I'm gonna put right here. Yeah, now I just put the I Am Magic one on top. So let's just see. It's a different, formula and finish. Yeah, the I Am Magic is beautiful though. She really is. All right, so that's kind of both of them. Not bad. So we're gonna do a little bit of contour. I'm gonna go very light handed with this because again, she is very pigmented. Okay, ladies, is it just me? But as you're getting older, do you feel like your hairline is shifting? I'm serious, dead ass serious, dead serious. Like, is it me? Does your hairline feel like it's shifting the older you're getting? I don't know, but I feel like my hairline is shifting. Okay, so we'll just do a slight light contour because this color is super dark, super chocolate. Unlike the reverse makeup, we're doing this all after. So the next step is a cream blush, or in this case liquid blush. Like I said, I'm following this beautiful lady's video I saw. I like the way she did her application. I thought, okay, let me give it a try. So they do have the liquid blushes like you guys saw me use the last video, and they do have cream. Okay, for the cream, the shade I got was Terracotta. It's a beautiful shade, but we're not going to use that today. I'm going to go back to the liquid because she's a pink cream blush. With Juvia's Place, y'all know, always start with one dot. This is the thing, okay, on the app. She brought the blush, honey, all the way into her under eye. Never would have, you know, thought to do that. But the finish by the time she was done was very nice. Blushes are having their moment right now. It's a blush moment. And Juvia's Place has a beautiful selection of blushes. I'm going to go with the other blush, which is a bit deeper because I've been checking out trying this one, but I'm going to try it today. And we're going to blend that as well. Just concentrating more on the outer corner of this part right here. This is a technique, honey. Yes, trust the process. The next step now is concealer. My Juvia's Place concealer. Applying it right here. So now this goes over the blush. So then you start blending from the outer corner, okay? Kind of let the inner corner do its thing. And you blend that into the blush, which is why I thought, ooh, that's an interesting tip there. So it ends up giving you like this beautiful gradient. Okay, so we've done the concealer. The next step is to grab a lighter concealer. And for that, I'm gonna use the NARS Radiant Creamy. Okay, and then I'm gonna put it just on the inner portion here, just like that, just to give the eyes a little bit more brightness. And when you're doing this, you know, take your time to blend your, you know, under eye and even the blush. Okay, but today is all about the blush, honey. It's a blush moment. It's a blush moment. I'm gonna grab my Juvia's Place brush, and this is the dark. All right, we're going to just bronze. Okay, we're gonna go and just give the face some warmth, okay? I like this technique. What do you guys think about it? It's definitely different from the other one I did. I'm gonna grab the tan. So I'm gonna go to the bottom one here. And I'm gonna also kind of layer that. I like the finish of it too. Yeah, it's just different. Ooh, the skin is glowing, honey. Glowing. I'll grab this brush right here. I'm going to work this down and go into the brows. Now, so contour, apply a little. So now I'm going to blend the concealer, and again, we're just going to keep that right in the inner corner, right there. Just like that. Do we see? It's a lot of back and forth, but it's a beautiful, beautiful, you know, technique. Yes, I like it. So now we're going to set the under eye. Okay, I have my little spongy thingy and I have my setting powder. This is Laura Mercier in Honey. I also have this powder, which I've been surprisingly loving. It's from Clinique. Blended Face Powder in the shade Transparency Neutral 08. So I kind of bounce between both of these. Let's go with Laura Mercier first. Tap my puff into that, and you know the drill. You want to always tap the excess. Okay, so that's that. And I'm gonna go with the Clinique. I'm gonna put Clinique over it. Just pressing. So just like that, no baking, just setting. So next we're gonna go with the Sephora Micro Smoothing Powder. The shade I have is deep. I like the powder because it's a nice smoothing powder. So just going over kind of the face. I do want to go in with more blush. I'm trying to decide between these two. Let's tap into this and see what she gives. I haven't tried that yet. This is the volume 1. Ooh, that is deep, honey. That is deep. Okay, I want something a little brighter. That's pretty though. Ooh, that's bright though. Should we try that one? Chop. Listen. Yep, just realized I don't have my mic. Sorry. Those powders, they're very beautiful and very pigmented. Juvia's Place, they're not playing with anybody. So I'm gonna go back to volume 4. I see why she's like super popular. Has that beautiful, you know, pink that people seem to gravitate towards, and it's beautiful. I understand now why she's always sold out. Like, she's always sold out. Now for the eyes, let's play with her, okay? I've been wanting this palette for years. Now I got her. I'm gonna use NARS on my eyes. All right, I'm just gonna do this. This is Zama. Let's try Zama. Next, we're gonna go with Jamata. All right. Brush I'm using is a Menage brush. I do have Juvia's Place brushes, but I need to wash them. Yeah, this is very nice. Very, very nice. So I just did a little cutting of the crease. I'm gonna take Kana. It's kind of like a light gray. Zaz. Let's tap into the Zaz a bit. See what Zaz is giving us. Oh, Zaz is popping, honey. Yeah, okay. Could have just gone straight into Zaz, apparently. Zaz is trying to grow. I don't want to grow that much. Let's add back a bit of Kana to tame Zaz down a bit. Remember, you go back and add wherever it got taken away to give you a better transition. Remember, makeup is fun. There is no right or wrong. So I think I have it where I want it. Next up, let's line our eyes with the Juvia's Place Nubian liner in Midnight Blue. I really love this liner. It is Midnight Blue by Juvia's Place, and well done. Easy application, creamy, went on without any dragging, any stress. So now I want to go with the highlighter. Yes, let's go with the highlighter. Why not? This is the Royalty highlighter by Juvia's Place. So let's give that a shot. It's been a while since I used highlighter. Are you guys still using highlighter? This is the Juvia's Place brush. We'll make it work. Dip into, okay? Tap off any excess, okay, when it comes to high pigmented products like this, so that you don't have a mess on your hands. And knowing Juvia's Place, we know she'd be pigmented. Oh! Ooh. Oh. Oh. Okay. I need a fluffy brush for this. I'm not even going to play. And let's blend her. Whew, child. Just look at that dot. Okay? Just a dot. And look at that. That is amazing. This would be very beautiful as an eyeshadow as well. Okay, it's like I did not learn my lesson, did I? All right, but you cannot deny. Let's go for the lips. I was secretly hoping that they would include one of their lip liners. There's some I've been eyeing. I'm like, ooh, I wonder if that's gonna come in the box. It did not, so that's okay. I will definitely try and get my hands on one of their lip liner or two. I like the color selection. Very, very, you know, dark girl friendly for sure. Another palette I'm looking forward to trying is Fumi de Salavod's collab with Juvia's Place. They did send that to me as well. Her first collection. The second collection she did, I don't have that one. Wouldn't it be just a dream to do a tutorial with Fumi? I should maybe email her. Maybe she'll consider. So yeah, we have the 3 lippies to choose from. So what's it gonna be? Okay, so we just did a nice little brown liner. I'm gonna just try this liquid lipstick. This is the shade Self Love. Let's see what Self Love is giving. Very pigmented. We're gonna do slow. That's a nice color. My whole body's going, grab it. Grab the red, grab the red, grab the red. But no, let's try the lip gloss over this. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. The liquid lipstick with the lip gloss actually works. So that's the 2 lip combos together with a little, you know, dark brown lip liner. Do we love it? What do we think? I like it. I do. She works. But because I'm that girl, just a blend of the red. I'm not going to go full red. Just gonna add, oh child, look at that red. Oh. All right, I guess we're going for it. I don't know if it's because I'm blending it with other product, but it's giving more pink. Almost like a fuchsia pink, actually. It's interesting. But there we have it, okay? And that's our look for today. OMG. OMG, Juvia's Place. I love the whole beat. The highlighter is highlighting, okay? The eyes are speaking, okay? The lips are luscious, okay? What is not to love? Thank you so much, Juvia's Place, for this beautiful golden box you gifted us with the purchase. It's insane. That's insane. You spend $20 on their website. They give you $200 worth of free products, okay? And it comes in like a cute PR box. Hello, these products are fabulous, very pigmented, great for all skin tones. There's something for everyone. I want you guys to vote or drop in the comments which of the foundation base you prefer. Do you prefer the underpainting technique or do you prefer this technique? This one is like the regular style, but you know, it's just a bit different with the blush. Thank you all so much for joining me today, for watching this beautiful tutorial. I'm having so much fun. If you enjoyed the tutorial today, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please don't forget to share, because when you share, you're supporting my channel to grow. I appreciate you all. Thank you for your continued support, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.